At the destination. In the ancient time they were collecting water through the rain system, and they have very good system of water harvesting. You can see this is the dome shaped water storage tank, and this outer periphery where they can clean up before rainy season, and later it will go inside this dome shaped water tank through these small pores. You can see. Now I will take you to the main storage tank through the stairs. It's almost 80 years old. You see, this is the tank. I can see still some water is there. It's around 16 feet wide and 20 feet deep. Wow, it's amazing.